Do you know this feeling? The next trade fair is just around the corner, and you're running late with the organization because your daily tasks haven't decreased. You can look forward to this next trade fair ease. I have a good solution for it. I am René Wyler, your specialist in international trade fairs. I am very passionate and enthusiastic about my work, and over the past 25 years, I have organized and led dozens of trade fairs in exactly 30 countries. You know, the devil is in the details, and that's what we need to pay attention to when we work on your unique trade fair preparation, so that your next trade fair becomes a real eye-catcher and you can enjoy all the accolades. I have now developed an online course specifically for this, which can be an absolute game changer for you. You see, trade fairs are cool and great, but they require a lot of time. Often, people start these preparations too late, but it doesn't have to be that way. In my comprehensive course, you will receive a cool concept and a clear, detailed guideline. Among other things, you will learn when to start organizing the trade fair, including the best times and strategies for planning, how to set the trade fair goals correctly and effectively, how to create a detailed and effective trade fair budget, how trade fair communication works in various contexts, and how to properly use social media channels to maximize engagement and reach. You go through this course at your own pace, work through the modules, and by the end, you know exactly where you stand and have developed a proper concept for your own trade fair, which you can also reuse later. Simply click the button and easily purchase this course. It will lead you to your next trade fair success.